Today's title is Japan's Fifth Season. The rainy season started in central Japan at the beginning of June. Over the weekend, it finally started in northern Honshu. Many people tell me that Japan has 4 seasons, but I think the rainy season is Japan's 5th season. It's not spring, but it's not summer either. It rains frequently for about 1 month. We have 4 seasons where I come from in the US, but we don't have a wet season like this. Actually, this year, the weather here in Nagoya hasn't been so bad. We haven't had a lot of rain, and there have been some beautiful days.
There are 2 questions. Please answer them. Question 1. Did the rainy season start in central Japan at the beginning of June? Answer. Yes, it did. Question 2. Where does the speaker come from? Answer. He comes from the US. Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about the idea that Japan has 5 seasons instead of 4? Example. I think it is an interesting idea because the rainy season has unique weather and lasts for a long time. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.
毎日2分で英語耳を鍛えたい方は、今のうちにチャンネル登録をお願いします。